Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation. How is everybody? Okay, great. Today we will talk about the relationship between facilitation and communication and interview. The interview here refers to one of the many elicitation techniques. Now let's get started. Here is the agenda. First, we're going to have an overview and then recap of facilitation and communication. And then we will talk about interview. And then we will move on to relationship between facilitation and communication and interview. And then we're going to have a Q&A session. But if you have any questions during the presentation, please feel free to ask. Let's take a look at the overview. Facilitation, communication, and interview. They all play an important part to a business analyst role. Now, let's move on to recap of facilitation and communication. Facilitation is the art of leading and encouraging people through systematic efforts toward agreed upon objectives in a manner that enhances involvement, collaboration, productivity, and synergy. Communication is the art of exchanging and sharing meaningful information or expressing ideas, thoughts, or feelings via different means to clarify the message and to arrive at shared and common understandings. Next, let's move on to interview. An interview is a systematic approach designed to elicit business analysis information from a person or a group of people by talking to the interviewees, asking relevant questions, and documenting the responses. Next, let's talk about the relationship between facilitation and communication and interview. Firstly, interview itself is facilitation and communication. During the interview, the interviewer keeps a flow and maintains focus on the established goals and predefined questions and adapts based upon the information provided and nonverbal communication from the interviewees. Secondly, facilitation and communication help build understanding, clarity, and rapport in an interview, which ensure the willingness of the interviewees to participate in the interview and to provide the required information. Do you have any questions? Okay, thank you for those great questions. No more questions? All right. Thank you for attending this presentation. I hope you have learned the relationship between facilitation and communication and interview, and pay more attention to those in your elicitation as a BA. Thank you.